We got Winter Wonderland for the Shih Tzus right now. It's back up into the 40s, and they've made their first endeavor to the other end of the property. Get the smallest Shih Tzu out here. It's still deeper than she is. She's got to run and bounce like a bun sled. Run and bounce like a little bunny. Hey Lance, what's going on, buddy? You make your own path this morning, huh? Hey, Pocket. Princess. Here we come. Bigger dogs made the paths. The long-legged ones, should I say. Short-legged ones are following in their paths. Lily's the one that made the major path. Here she comes right now. Lily girl, yeah. Made your own, trailed your own, blazed your own trail, didn't you, girlie? Huh? All right. Come, Mama. Pocket, here, baby. You're the short one, huh? You either gotta jump like a bunny, or follow the trail of the other ones. Baby. Yeah, buddy. Mama. Good mama. Hi, Pooh. Hi, Pooh. You didn't go out there, you chicken. Yeah. Lily girl. Lily girl. Yep. It should be all gone in the next couple of days. Right. Thanks for following. Don't forget to click on the DC to subscribe.